everyone, today I will bring to you 6 sound. Third sound E, E, E. Knees, knees. My niece is turning 8 years old this year. People, there are 4 people in my family. Pizza, pizza. My brother like eating pizza. Second sound E, E, E. Twin, twin. Tom and Tim are twin. Seat. I have an older sister and 2 younger brothers. Sibling, sibling. John and Mary are my siblings. Third sound U, U. Shoes, shoes. She likes wearing shoes to school. 2, 2. I have 2 older brothers who love me a lot. Fruit, fruit. Fresh fruit are very good for your health. U, U, U. Full, full. I live in a full house with my friend and my sibling. Book, book, book. My younger sister enjoy reading books. Woman, woman, woman. My mother is the most wonderful woman in the world. Eh, eh, eh. Nephew, nephew, nephew. My grandparents have 6 nephews. Present, present. My present always try their hardest to bring my the best thing in life. Extended family. I live in an extended family with 6 members. Cousin, cousin. The boy standing there is my cousin. Children, children. They have 2 children, a boy and girl. Husband, husband. My husband and I share our works together. Thank you.